As a glass of apple juice is lifted to the lips, a powerful internal journey begins. Outside, the human body appears calm and complete, but within, an extraordinary world comes to life. The first sip enters the mouth and travels smoothly down the esophagus. Inside the stomach, warm gastric folds expand as the apple juice arrives, splashing gently into the digestive chamber. The liquid begins to mix with enzymes, breaking apart and releasing its rich nutrients. From here, the journey becomes microscopic. In the small intestine, millions of tiny villi rise like soft fingers, capturing the glowing particles of apple juice. One by one, these nutrients pass through the intestinal walls and enter the bloodstream. Blood vessels light up as each particle is carried forward, traveling to every organ, every tissue, every cell. The effects can now be felt throughout the entire body. In the brain, neurons brighten, firing with renewed clarity and focus. In the muscles, nutrient-rich blood flows through fibers, restoring strength and helping the body recover. Deep in the gut, the microbiome comes alive, healthy bacteria glowing, balanced and thriving. Soon, the entire body radiates a fresh burst of natural energy, as if a warm light spreads from the core to every limb. But like all things, balance is essential. For some, apple juice may irritate a sensitive stomach, causing redness or inflammation in the lining. Others may notice allergic reactions on the skin, small patches of swelling or redness. And for those sensitive to sugar, the bloodstream may experience a brief spike in glucose, followed by a dip in overall energy. Still, when enjoyed wisely, apple juice becomes more than a drink. It becomes a journey, a story of nourishment, movement, transformation, and renewal. A reminder that every sip we take sets thousands of processes into motion, working quietly, beautifully, inside the remarkable system we call the human body.